Hey everybody! So let's talk about how to upgrade child from Family Link. So to upgrade a child's Google account to a regular unsupervised account, the child must reach the applicable age in your country. Google does not allow you to simply remove supervision or change the birth year to make them older if they are actually under 13. When your child reaches the legal age, they can choose to manage their own account. So if the child just turned 13, on or after their birthday, Google sends an email to the child allowing them to take control of their account. Have your child open their email inbox on their own device and then open the email titled Ready to Update Your Google Account. Now tap Update Your Account and follow the prompts to complete the process. Now, alternatively, they can sign out of all accounts in a fresh browser window and go directly to the Google graduation portal to complete their upgrade. Now, if the child is already over 13 but still supervised, if the child is legally old enough to manage their account but you still have Family Link enabled, you can stop supervision directly from your device. Just open your Family Link app on your parent device and then select your child's profile and then tap Controls, then go to Account Settings. Now select Account Supervision and then tap Stop Supervision and confirm by following the on-screen prompts. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.